What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris. This is PNW RC Madness, and we are at the pump track again. Alright guys, so check it out. We're going to go ahead and put this battery in. We're actually running 4S because I believe the truck runs best on 4S. At least in my experience. We actually got this painted body that was beautiful, and now it's pretty lame. I need to learn how to paint bodies. But anyways guys, check out the truck. Look at it. It is a beast. It is a beast. We got the wide max arms. We got the wider camber links in the front. We got shock boots made by me. We're running the high-tech WP46, I believe that is, with a Vanquish servo horn. I did have to carve this out. Stock motor, Hobbywing max 6, extreme RC lipo tray. We are running the 2050 stock gearing, Badlands, my favorite tires, guys. And then, best of all, we are running Aluminum Treal Hobby basher parts on this truck. We got the bell crank, we got the front knuckles, the hubs, and the rear hubs. Guys, let's go send it. Woo! All right, here we go, guys. Let's do it. We're running the max amp 6500 milliamp. There we go. All right, here we go. Oh, chassis slap. Whew. Whew. Here we go, guys. There it is. Woo! Oh, you see that, guys? We real slided it. Oh, nice. We're gonna launch it, guys. What do you think? Should we do it before we break it? What do you think, guys? Launch it? We could probably launch it to the moon. Oh. The Max is a beast, guys. Oh! All right, look at that, guys. She is a beast. We're gonna send it. I think we can land it right up top there. Let's do it. Oh! It's too hard because you got to get a lot of speed. You got to have traction. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, here we go, guys. Woo, woo. I think I like that part right there. We can jump that. Here it goes. All right, here we go. We're gonna see if we can't clear those rollers over there. Max is holding up great. Servo's holding up great. Oh, maybe we can get it from this side. It's hard. It's really hard. Let's try it again. Oh, come on. All right, so we'll stand right here, see if we can time it right. All right, here we go. Oh! Oh, that's not bad. Landing in the grass, take that all day. Oh! Here we go. Guys, here we go. Woo! Gonna get over on the other side. What do you think? Should we do it? I think the best thing to do, man, it'd be awesome if we could just clear that. We're gonna try that right there, guys. Here we go. Let's go, little Max. Gotta see her start. So if we can just hit that without jumping that too much, and we can maybe land right there. Let's try it. Here we go. All right, guys, we're standing up here. We're gonna do it. As long as you don't hit that big old piece of concrete down there, we're good. So let's get ourselves a good straight shot, or curly. Woohoo! All right, let's try it again. Here it comes. Oh, that broke. All right, guys, she broke. Dang it. Oh, the pinion came loose, that's all. And we didn't bring any tools. Oh, no. She shredded. I just put that in last night, guys. All right, guys, that's going to have to end the video. I didn't expect that to happen. I guess I landed on throttle. The truck is definitely a beast. I need to learn how to paint bodies better. Look at all the paint in there. Motor is still cool. Fans on the ESC. Everything feels good. Guys, this truck is amazing. Nothing bent, nothing broken, but the gears, again, that's like 3 days in a row for me. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, guys, so before I end the video, I just want to show you guys how the truck is holding up besides that pinion gear. We got these Treal Hobby knuckles, the 7075 aluminum, perfect condition. They got the bigger bearings in there, bigger than stock. They hold up. We got the hub, and there is a bushing in there and a stainless steel screw. Everything is nice and tight still, no bends, no breaks. In the back here, guys, we got the Treal Hobby hubs, the rear hubs. They also come with the bigger bearings. Super awesome. Definitely recommend these upgrades. Definitely, you could find these on my website. It's www.pnwrcmadness.com. I'll actually leave the link below for you guys if you guys want to find these parts and try them out. And then we got one more part. You can kind of see that silver shiny piece right there. That is the Treal Hobby steering rack. Let's see if I can show you that part. Alright, so you see there's the Treal rack right there. So far so good, it's awesome. I got the Vanquish horn, and yes, I did carve it out to make it work. I could probably go with a shorter horn, but I just like this horn, had it in my box, and so far that seems to be holding up. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have play. I think all servos have a little bit of play. I don't know, guys. Leave it in the comments below. ESC is awesome. My fan motor stopped working. I'm not sure what happened there, so we'll take that apart. And then there ultimately is what slowed us down today, guys. That's all my fault. All my fault. I'm going to go back to the same Traxxas gear, and I'm going to keep ripping. Guys, if you like this video, please do leave me a like, leave me a comment, hit that subscribe button right there, and I will talk to you guys later. Whoosh.